What's up, guys? 1980 model Chevrolet C-10. This is a 4x4 pickup at patina. It needs some loving on the paint, but under the hood, Vortec power steer, power brakes. Lifted up in the air with a decent set of tires on it. We're gonna be taking it down the road, seeing what all I can find. I went ahead and did the walk around, and yes, I seen little rust spots here at the bottom. You got some damage here in the back, a little rust there. Does have the tow package on this one, but I'm gonna go over everything in the video so you know exactly what you're coming to get. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping is available at maplemotors.com. Go there, check it out, hit subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we'll look around the interior and check everything out. You can see on this one, the seat looks okay, a little bit of wear there. Carpet on this one's got a little bit of wear here in the edge. But overall, I mean, we're looking pretty clean. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Go ahead and start it up here. Looking at our dash, it doesn't look like our oil pressure gauge is coming up. Engine temperature right there is not moving at all, but we'll see. We'll let it warm up just a second. Showing 46,000 miles on the dash. We are charging. Wipers work. Good deal. Turn signals. It's blinking on this side. Is it blinking on that side? Yes. I think it's funny. Look at the gas gauge moving. Blower motor. Blower motor's not doing a thing. Radio. Cut on. I don't have any sound here. So it looks like it just cut off too. Yeah, it's on. It's just not working, guys. I gotta get in here. Carpet looks okay. Horn, did you place your bets? Oh, I was gonna say it worked. Well, let's go ahead and hit the road, see how this one runs and drives. Got my bag all crazy looking over here. All right, guys, we're gonna take off down the road. Anything I see, you'll know about it. I do these test drives for you. Every single day, picking out flaws. I try not to miss anything, because this is my job. If I miss it, then I'm failing at my job. I'm not trying to do that. There's reverse. And if you do have any questions by the end of the video, you can call us and we'll go out, FaceTime, zoom in. We got 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com. It's pretty much covered, so we should be fine. Oh, we just got to shut off here. We shouldn't do that, but it did. It's very snappy. Here we go, guys. Rolling out. A little bit of slack in the steering. It is pulling to the right. You see how it's fading to the right there? Slow but steady. It's going to the right. Good pickup though. Right. Check our brakes. Brakes do pull to the right as well. And as soon as I hit him, it kind of darts over. Time I hit and see him having to correct the steering there. That's the second time that it's died. I don't know what's causing that, but it is definitely doing that. I'm gonna listen a little bit closer here. Haven't noticed anything. It's just idling all the way down and shutting off. Speedo on this one is working. the gas gauge, I don't know. So we're gonna stop, get some fuel. I don't want to run out. I don't think that's why it's cutting off. Let me try the old 2-foot method. Basically just barely touch the gas. Shouldn't have to do this though. I feel it's idle surging. Even 2-foot method cut off. Cuts right back on. So, what do y'all think that is? Most of y'all are really smart when it comes to these Vortex. Simple stuff like shutting off like that, because it seems to be running pretty good other than the fact that it's shutting off. We'll go ahead and get a little bit of fuel here. And we'll keep running the video, might as well. All right, be back. Gotta turn around. Somebody's messed this gas station up. They must have got mad or something. A bunch of these pumps are just like hanging out like the hoses. I guess people just keep putting them in there and driving off and ripping the hoses out. Yeah, it's an idle surge. I felt it, so I was 2-footing it there, if you noticed. We got 2-footed a little bit more than you're supposed to. When I feel it drop, I hold it. I don't know what's going on there, but it's starting right back up every single time, and other than it idling down and shutting off, it seems to be driving okay. So I'm gonna get some gas and keep this video rolling. I'll be right back. This thing looks like a beast sitting over here. Well, I put $20 worth of gas in her, so we're not gonna run out. We're gonna get some outside shots, undercarriage shots, and whatnot. $20 worth of fuel. Good deal. All right, let's see if the gauge works. I think it does. It looked like it was moving. Could have just been me. Turn the key. Look at it. Gauge does work. It's at half the tank now. Quarter tank. It's bouncing between half a tank, quarter tank. Maybe it kind of works. All right. Let's do it again. let y'all sit up here. Now, one thing that I have noticed, it hasn't cut off on me since y'all were last on video. Don't know. Maybe it did need gas. I really don't know. I don't know why that would affect it. I've been trying to get it to cut off. It should right now. It's just sitting there running like it's supposed to. Maybe it's it was a gas issue where it's been sitting. It's running strong. I mean, I know that this has to be a common issue, so somebody knows. Y'all hear them cicadas out the window? They're everywhere right now. Temperature gauge never come up. Oil pressure gauge is broke on this one. It's not connected or something. It's maxed out. It showed 70 the whole time. It's definitely bumpy. Here's the bump. Oh yeah. Suspension is stiff on this one. It's not shutting off anymore. So by the end of the test drive, it has quit doing all that nonsense. I don't know why it was, but it's not doing it anymore. And now, it might do it again when it's cold again. Maybe it just needed more time to warm up. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. We're going over chips, scratches, flaws, dents and whatnot, so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. That's why I do these videos. I don't leave stuff out, guys. Thanks again. Let's walk around this ride. She's jacked up. We'll get started over here. A little bit of pitting on your front bumper. It's not perfect, nor is the paint on this truck. Definitely got pitting in the chrome. Missing the Chevy emblem. Tires on this thing look new. Well, not brand new, but they look great. Good shape. Got a little dent here at the bottom. Got some bubbles popping up. A little rust. Chips back here. A little rust. Holes here. Dent, pretty big dent back here in the back. Chips in the paint. chip here in the windshield. See where it used to have bed liner and they almost got it all off. One up on the back here. Pretty little dent right here on this side. Backed into something. Got the tow package. A little rust. Coming down this side now. Yeah, big old dent on this side as well. Rust there in the corner. There's some rust popping up here on the bed too. Bubbles at the bottom. Little rust. This one's got a lot of spots on it. The bottom there. Midsection. Scratch there. Scuff up here. Little rip right there. Seal. Get on the roof. Alright, let's check out that interior. And of course we'll start it up and then listen to the motor. tan and spots. Got a good seal there at the bottom. Looking inside. Seat's showing a little bit of wear. Light up there is chipped. Crack in the steering wheel. In the dash there, your passenger door's got some chips as well. It's not perfect. Turn the ignition. The dash is definitely peeling up. Motor is quiet. It's nice having a Vortec in it. Put our overflow for the antifreeze. Spot here, kind of lifted up a little bit. A little bit of pitting going on with the chrome there. Guys, it is a project truck, but it's got a good start, especially with that Vortec motor. Nice tires. She's jacked up already. Does have a few rust spots, but we went over that. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping available at maplemotors.com. Go there, check it out, leave me some comments below, and I'll get back with you, or at least try to. If anything else, you have any other questions, call me. We'll FaceTime you and go over the parts that you want us to. We want you to know everything. If you have any other questions, we're going to make it right. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.